Want to watch Spectrum TV on your Element TV? First, ensure you have a Spectrum subscription and a stable internet connection. At least 10 megabits there for HD streaming or 25 meg for 4K. Most Element TVs run on Roku, Android TV, or Fire TV operating systems. If you have a Roku-based Element TV, like the Element Roku TV 4K, start by pressing the Home button on your remote. Then, navigate to Streaming Channels and select Search Channels. Type Spectrum TV in the search. Select the Spectrum TV app and choose Add Channel. It will download in a minute or two. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in using your Spectrum username and password. You may need two-factor authentication. For Android TV or Fire TV Element models, you may need to sideload the app from the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store. But keep in mind, official support is limited on these platforms. That's the quick guide to installing the Spectrum TV app on your Element TV. Having trouble with the Spectrum TV app on your Element TV? Let's go through some common troubleshooting steps and tips to get you back to streaming smoothly. First, double-check your Spectrum account details and ensure your internet connection is stable. The app requires a valid Spectrum cable or internet subscription to function properly. Next, make sure your Element TV's firmware is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with the Spectrum TV app. Check for updates in your TV's settings menu. If you experience buffering, especially during peak hours, it could be due to network congestion. Look for signs like high latency, packet loss, or connection timeouts. This graphic shows how to identify network congestion indicators. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Try restarting both your Element TV and your router to refresh the connections. If the app keeps crashing, uninstall and reinstall it. For Roku TVs, navigate to the channel, press the asterisk button on your remote, and select Remove Channel before re-adding it from the channel store. This image shows the confirmation dialog for removing a channel. Remember, the Spectrum TV app requires a valid Spectrum cable or internet subscription to work. Make sure your account is active and in good standing. Expert tip from CNET reviewers. The Spectrum TV app is user-friendly, especially on Roku TVs, making it a good choice for Spectrum users who want seamless streaming. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support for assistance. They can walk you through specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your Element TV model. This image shows the Spectrum support page where you can find help options. Finally, keep in mind that some very old Element models, particularly those from before 2018, might not be compatible with the Spectrum TV app due to outdated operating systems.